This week's tour takes us to one of my favorite buildings in Brickell called 9. Aside from it being literally on top of the shops in Mary Brickell Village, it has some of my favorite finishes in the area. Each unit comes equipped with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances like cabinetry, and porcelain flooring. But honestly, I think I like this building so much because of how much natural light floods into each unit and how great the city views are. And this 1 bedroom, 1 bath at just $2,100 per month is no exception. So enough talking about it, let's be about it, and let's get started. Welcome to the channel. I will make this one short and sweet. If you're interested in more weekly property tour videos like this one, then subscribe to the channel and like this video to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for your support. Alright guys, welcome to 9. As I mentioned earlier at the beginning of this video, this building and this layout is one of my favorites in the Brickell area for the price point. The reason for that is because we're in Mary Brickell Village, and I can't say we're in Mary Brickell Village more than the fact that this building is on top of Mary Brickell Village. So much so that on the amenity deck, you can actually take an elevator ride straight to the shops of Mary Brickell Village and the grocery store. You don't get any more convenient than this building if you're looking to stay in this location. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Brickell or just getting familiarized with Brickell, the shops of Mary Brickell Village is where the heart and the center of all the action, the restaurants, the bars, and the shops just happen to be. So if you want to be in the middle of the action, you can't get more centered than a building that's on top of it. So that's probably one of the biggest reasons why I like 9, aside from the gorgeous city and bay views that it gives you. The layouts are spacious. This is just shy of 700 square feet at just $2,100 per month. And it also gives you that contemporary look while still remaining to be timeless. You'll have an idea of what I'm referring to in just a minute when we start the property tour, but couldn't stress this unit enough. I'm very glad that I was able to show it to you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and let's get started with today's property tour. Honestly, it was great showing you all this property. I've been meaning to do a video on 9 for a while now, and so I'm glad I was able to put it together. But what did you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help your boy out with the almighty YouTube algorithm. And as always, guys, I will see you all next week.